APC. Stomach infrastructure, equine of back. Canada. That's why they collect the woman for Canada.
Okay. Yeah.
Come
to Spanish government. You don't get a document. They tell Europe. You were in Czech Republic the other day. You were in UK. Buy a ticket and fly down to Europe and sue Atiti. I'll give you Atiti address. Take a lawyer. Even as you did Nigeria, you can sue Atiti. You have email. If you want to send you 5 email of Madrid police, he has to regulate. Let your lawyer write a petition through via the email to Madrid police. They will invite Atiti. And I'm going to accuse your wife directly. One-on-one directly accuse. Or mamma, no way person tell her. Say person. Or God could use brain now. I just say they fight Atiti. And I'm going to accuse your wife directly. One-on-one directly accuse. Or mamma, no way person tell her. Say person. Or God could use brain now. I just say make I see whether I go there is neighbor sometimes. You only get my there is neighbor sometimes. If I was okay, or him and my head will sagadon. Your children will come out for social that say it's my mom. I can use it down to my mom. I can go lives in America from America to Canada. It's not up to 1 hour flight. It's not up to 1 hour. Your wife could not take action. Your wife could not go to America to go and sue her. Hello? What's going on here? What's the you? But when I cook beans, when I go boil what I said, what's the sub? Which come here? What? No make me hear what they give for social media. For your Mayamatis. For your Mayamatis. Now I think be na me ame. Not be here. The movie the saga your wife, the saga you. Now the same the movie you. The movie not say you carry passion. At the movie not measure how you take back for Benin. What do you do at the movie for Nigeria? Who are the movie for Nigeria? Why let's say well at here? Election day. Why let's say well at here? I bear we can say back for the most important thing be say although time we orienta or we orienta wala ho wa ya bien let peace reign wa se re bo gbo kwa won je ri na ti to boy ma dey okay wa tale no evidence of it very me go na o evidence de ram ni wo ya gun a e don wa ya gun a Tony Kabaka je bo ye ho ya da we ho yes e no go get tele na date yen mia na je re do wo na do akpo dio no akpe ya wo na do akpe de we ya da yo o understand
religion Christian nice to me.
Yeah, what about you? How many?
If you are
he has no such power to be threatening that he's going to attack people's homes. He has threatened that very soon he's going to attack my parents. I will be live by 9:30 UK, Nigeria, UK, they use the same time now. I'll be live on 9:30. I don't want to take back Miami. And an amigo read on an amigo fact to tell us that they don't collect Tony Kabaka wife.
Okay.
In Canada. Then an amigo and Eddie Murphy and his socket. Now I talk him. Not be my mouth. So you live in an amigo, you pursue other people who you say that they fear you. Abi, I'll be live by 9:30. I will day live. Make I come talk to you, Tony Kabaka. I will day live. When I listen to an amigo when they talk say they don't collect Tony Kabaka wife for Canada. What have you?
Tony Kabaka will destroy father. He will destroy mother.
Okay.
He will destroy your home.
Okay.
Because Kabaka is war. Kabaka na problem to APC. Anyway, stomach infrastructure, equine of back. Canada. That's why they collect the woman for Canada.
Okay. Yeah.
Abati Mase Kabaka. Abati Mase Kabaka.
You hear
Abati Mase Kabaka. Abati Mase Kabaka. Abati Mase Kabaka. Abati Mase Kabaka.
Luigi made my viva walk in Pompation Kawane. 5 rounds or done. Pompation near me, election. Omo ade election police na mi oye. Na mi odo. Abi ogwe no.
You dey hear am?
Okay. O tugbe na me di mi ayo wai kapwepwe. O kan ni no na bi osie aladia. Wetin your data so ya here. More than me. More than.
They listen. This is to tell you Tony Kabaka is in a possession of unregistered arms in Edo State. This was said by the elder brother of the deputy governor of Edo State that Tony Kabaka sold gun, purpose gun to his own brother, Edwin. If na another person, they go say come prove am. They go say come prove am. Una dey hear am. Say Tony Kabaka I set gun for audience. When police collect for his hand for during election period. He say his brother, young brother, Tony brother, which is Kapwepwe. That one way carry naked this man. What's they call him? Pedro. He carry and go in house. He wear pack gun come out. You dey listen. When they try to oppress person and not telling the truth of the evil you guys have been creating in those states. Edo State not better than Tony Kabaka this side. Edo State been using talks for election malpractice. That the work with Tony Kabaka do. Which work Tony Kabaka they do? They could not ask Tony which work they do for Edo State. After election, what is the next work they do? Either they give you revenue, when they collect, they use slap, they collect beat conductor, beat driver. They don't pay cut tickets. They don't pay for tickets. Which other work they do than Agbeurism? Each and every election, they always hire him, pay and use some amount of money, come work, follow them. Is it not to steal ballot boss? Steal ballot boss? I know how many youth don't die during the election. Tony Kabaka boys never buy. No, they mention name. This same Collis Ero, so where they insult Tony Kabaka now. What will be the business between Collis Ero and Tony Kabaka? Which fight is the fight between Tony Kabaka and Osakpo no less? Look at us. It's sad. This message now for comrade Tony Kabaka. You see that your name we don't first square. Just they try the maintenance now. As though they travel, they go Europe everywhere. They try the maintenance. It's very important. Because a lot of us get evidence against you of all your atrocities that you have done so far. And not a joke. Try the maintenance. And don't want Atiti now give you. You see all this your ground, this your bragging. You know they pay again. And those days, we social media never day. We internet never day like this. Now those things, those initial that time they pay. This time around, you know they work again for anybody. Because if you do person will not even get level, person will get level go buy the matter. You understand? That's what this life got be now. You get the way person go say they oppress me now, you yourself you go buy the matter. Because you go feel like this person, they are oppressing this person. You go buy the matter, just like you want to do to this guy now. This person that one I idiot too. That one I don't that dangerous criminal. Only one body, but why see I don't want have you no one here go where. We need was zero ne. Because here ni aji ginyahu a good Samaritan devil. We need was zero ne. Understand? If you want first do anything, if you want first to make anybody come zo for your wife, first of all you go tell what is the color? Economigo. After you your own ilo at the movie. Before you come talk to what is the color? Also go Atiti no one. Okay, wait. We're total. We will give a press conference. The Atiti. Atiti a day. Etu agbe. Etu ayibo kan. No day. No those zone of kanwe. Ere na mi go those zone of wo. No go egwu ready wa. Whether you know those zone of kanwe. Awon mo yo kanwe gbe. Abu e ma ho wa video na. Wa video na go ma ho. Vere na mi go video na nyame wo ku. E pa to ni wa talk better. We ma ho. Damosa. You want to make me Canada with her? Go away, go second.
I'm going to Canada. That's why they call Kabaka na problem to APC. Anyway, benefit.
Comrade one.
Stomach infrastructure, a coin of back.
Damosa.
I'm going to Canada. That's why they call it.
If I want ya, Damosa.
Masa, Abati Masa Kabaka.
D'abord ça.
Abati Masa Kabaka.
Et par moi.
Abati Masa Kabaka.
D'abord ça.
Abati Masa Kabaka.
Ma comrade.
Abati Masa Kabaka.
Your answer is ça.
Abati Masa Kabaka.
D'abord ça. Et par moi. D'abord ça. Et par my drink. Okay. Et par hier là. Ok ça. D'abord ça. Aussi à 300,000.
My attention.
Oh, koroma. Coco maye. Oh, boili. Et pas d'abord ça. Oh, il a boule fois. Then, let me go straight to the deputy governor, brother. I ain't quarry, Matana Kadakano. This brother go touch me for body. The one will be young for say your collect and you just see now, just use and follow. Mr. Tony Kabaka, you answer that sister. Please go and shut it to the big patrol.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
I want to play
President AK Pastor.
another video for that.
Worldwise. I got a message. God advised me to speak because no more saga in my life. I've said it.
That's Gio.
Nobody can push me to saga.
That's Gio.
This is just a short message to the killing.
This is Chris. Hello? Hello, bros. Yes. Yeah. Okay. I hear you. I hear you, bros. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Wow. Off a bit. How you be? Yeah.
The killer in Edo State, aka Tony Kabaka.
Huh? Okay, let's go back a bit. On the list.
Yeah. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is social media president, aka Pastor Idahosa, worldwide. I got a message. God advised me to speak because no more saga in my life. I've said it. Nobody can push me to saga.
Okay.
But this is just a short message to the killer in Edo State.
The killer.
AKA Tony Kabaka.
Okay.
Tony Kabaka, you lie against me. Because I said